Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nazima's Taste of Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you a most requested recipe, baked whole chicken, roasted chicken. This has been requested by many of my members, so today I decided to do it. So let's check out the ingredients first. I have taken a medium sized chicken and I had to put the gashes cuts like this. I'll do it. And for the marination ingredients, we need half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Just for the color I took it, but you can add the regular chili powder. 2.5 tablespoon olive oil. You can add the regular oil. And 2 tablespoon tamarind pulp. And 2 tablespoon ginger garlic and salt. I took some barbecue sauce, but you can add some soya sauce if you don't have barbecue sauce. This will give a good flavor, but if you don't have, you can just skip it. So let's do the marination now. Let's mix the marination. I'm adding all the spices. And salt, ginger garlic paste, tamarind pulp and olive oil, and about 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce, and let's mix it now. The red Kashmiri chili powder will give you a nice color. This is a very simple and easy recipe. So put gashes like this. Don't do deep, just very lightly. And for the legs and everywhere, put small cuts so that the marination will go inside. I have put a cling film paper here, so when you marinate the chicken, you can wrap it up with this cling film and then you can leave it in the freezer, so that way the marination will stick to the chicken very well. So you can use a shopping bag or a polythene or whatever you available at home. Just wrap it up very well and leave it in the fridge. I'm going to keep this now overnight after marinating, but keep at least 4 to 5 hours if you cannot marinate overnight. Apply inside also. Now it's almost done. I'll show you the next step. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to I'll show you the stuffing ingredients. So inside the chicken we have to stuff something like aromatic. So I'm going to stuff whole garlic. I'm not going to take off the skin. We are not going to peel it. Onion I'm going to add like half. So most of these are like Sri Lankan stuff. So I have some rampe, but this is very dry. You can add fresh rampe. I didn't have it today. Some coriander leaves and some curry leaves. So all this I'm going to stuff inside the chicken. So we are going to bake it with the stuffing. So now let's do the stuffing. Now let's stuff this. So I'm going to put the curry leaves, and if you have any rosemary or other leaves like that, you can add that too. I put the coriander leaves, and I'm going to put only a piece of onion because the chicken is not that big. So I have stuffed everything now. Now let's tie the legs. With a twine thread, tie it really tight. And I'm adding the rampe. I couldn't add it. I'll add the rampe. Now I'm going to wrap this with a cling film or polythene and leave it overnight, and then let's bake it. You can put it in a shopping bag and do it too. So I'm going to wrap it like this and leave it in the fridge overnight. Now I'm going to bake this chicken. This has been marinating since last night. So now let's remove the wrap, and the baking tray is ready too. See, it has marinated really well. You can remove this thread later. I'm trying to join this with a toothpick so that way while baking it won't come out. So stuffings are intact. So now I'm going to bake this on 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius, 1 to 1.5 hours. So oven to oven it's different, so I'll tell you how long this took it, but sometimes it differs time to time, and this is a medium sized chicken. So let's see how long it takes. I'm going to apply some olive oil on the top, or you can even apply some butter if you want. And you can put some oil inside the stuffing also. So now this is ready to go to the oven. I took this out after exactly 1 hour. So it's baked very well, nice color. So I'm going to turn it to the other side and bake it for another half an hour because this side has not baked well, and then we are done. I took this after 25 minutes, so it has roasted very well. So now it's ready to serve. So it took 1 hour and 25 minutes to bake this, both sides. First I baked 1 hour the other side. Now I put this for another half an hour. Now this is totally done and now it's ready to serve. The chicken is ready for serving now. I have over baked it because this is how my husband like it. He wants it really roasted, and this took me about an hour and a half for baking both sides. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a feedback in my Facebook page or on YouTube channel. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and share with your friends. See you again. Thanks for watching.